Hi, I am Mohammed Shaheel from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering in Panimalar Institute of Technology in 2022. Evision is the one of the great online job training program. I have joined on 13 June 2022 an online job training program. Evision took online classes and placements and interview calls. In just 40 days, I have completed my online job training program. Then I got interview calls. I am happy to say that I have selected in a Jiffy InfoSolutions Private Limited with the salary of 2.8 lakhs per annum. Thank you for the experienced trainers and also if please trainers and thank you for the vision. Thank you.